Hi, this is a brief video to show you how to set up WEP security on your D100. So you can see at the moment I'm not connected to the internet. I'm going to list up wireless networks, and that's my Netgear, which is secure. Here I've got the gateway, which is an unsecured network, so there's no security at the moment. If I connect to it, it says on my sure I'm going to connect anyway. So I'll be connected now to the D100. Okay, I'm not going to save this network. Close that one. And there you can see I'm connected to the internet through my D100 gateway. Now this is not secure, so anyone could connect to the internet using this method at the moment, so I need to secure it. So Internet Explorer, go to 192.168.1.1. I'll bring up the admin page. Go on Internet Explorer. Okay. My password is still admin. Okay, we're going to go to advanced settings, wireless LAN settings, advanced wireless LAN settings. Now you can read through the text here and explain how you can set up your encryption in different ways. I'm going to go for WEP encryption, and I'm going to enter a key. I'm going to use a 5 ASCII characters, or you can have 10 hexadecimal characters, or 13 ASCII characters, or 26 hex. It depends how secure you want it to be. I'm going to put mine in as Apple, just so I've got a very simple one. Make it as complicated as you like. I can choose which one of these. I've got current network key as number 1, which is the one I've just entered. Apply that. Now, remember, I'm connected to an unsecure network. I've now changed that network so it's now going to be secure. So, if we wait for a response, it should now effectively shut me out of that network. Okay, so I'm not connected to the network anymore. And we should see on the Internet Explorer that the page will basically time out because I've been disconnected now. So if I go back to connect to a network, you may have to go to manage network connections. If you've stored the gateway connection in there as unsecure, you may have to go to manage network connection and remove it. So here's my gateway, and there you can see it's secure, so the WEP is now enabled. And if I connect to that one, it should now ask me for my WEP password. Okay, here we go. So it's asking me for the WEP password. I'll put display characters so you can see. I'll put in Apple. Apple's my password. Hit connect. And that should be it. Now I should be connected securely to my network. Let's just give it a second to kick in. Okay, this time I'll save it so it'll automatically connect. That one. And because I rebooted the D100, it takes a second to reconnect to the internet. So there we go. So we're all done. We're fully connected to the D100, and it's now secure. Now there are other settings here that you could play with if you want. Have a play with it. If there's any questions on any of the settings, then just send us an email and we can talk you through it. But just to check, I've got internet connection. Yep, all done.